At Fibo, we produce factory-engineered wall systems from PEFC certified renewable timber, with full traceability from raw material all the way to our finished product. All the material data from certification papers to surface quality is first logged as soon as it arrives at our factory. Each material then undergoes individual stress testing and is exposed to different temperatures and humidity levels before reaching our production line. With automated precision and constant monitoring of temperatures, the 7-layer birchwood core is glued to the decorative high-pressure laminate, along with an enhanced moisture barrier backing. It is this careful combination of materials that make our wall panels so robust, wear-resistant and, perhaps most important of all, fully waterproof. Colour glare and irregularities are examined before we manufacture each panel with Fibo's own unique Aqualock system. Next, they are automatically milled out according to the programmed tile design. Before the panels are distributed, they undergo one final visual inspection. The handling and assembly instructions are then attached. The now ready-to-install panels are carefully packaged to ensure quality and ease of handling for our customers. Pending delivery, they are stored in a carefully regulated climate, helping to ensure that they arrive to you in perfect condition. Fibo, walls built for life.